Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Imperial Syner-D massage chair. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in 3 separate boxes. The larger of the 3 boxes contains the main body of the chair and the shoulder panels. The long medium-sized box contains 2 arm panels, and the smallest box contains the footrest. The only tools required for this assembly are an M8 hex key and a Phillips head screwdriver, which both come included within the accessory box. Let's start with the larger box. Once opened, lift the top of the box straight up and set aside. Now remove and open the small accessory box, which will contain the remote tablet, the tablet holder, the tablet mount cover, 1 power cord, spare clips and fuses, 2 arm panel connectors, a Phillips head screwdriver, a hex key, 2 long and small bolts, 10 long screws, 4 small screws, 2 extra small screws, 2 big size washers, 2 medium size washers, the user manual, a quick start guide, an assembly guide, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's remove any foam or plastic protective packaging surrounding the chair. To move the chair off the bottom tray, we will need to cut the tray corners and lay its sides flat. Now walk the chair out of the tray by lifting and sliding each end until the chair clears the tray. The chair can be very heavy, so remember to use your legs, not your back, when lifting, or solicit help for this process. Now we must recline the seat into a forward upright position. To do this, we must first plug the remote into the chair's 5-pin control port, which is located at the bottom left corner of the seat cushion. Ensure the pins are lined up, then screw down the fastener to properly secure the connection. Once the remote is plugged in, use the power cord from the accessory box to plug the chair in. Flip the main power switch on. The tablet should immediately turn on and display the Infinity logo. Tap again to wake the tablet and display the yellow warning screen. Tap the button once you have read through the warning screen to proceed to the home page. Hit the power button in the top right hand corner to bring the chair in an upright position. Once the chair is fully upright, turn off the chair and unplug the power cable with the body out of the box. Let's get the rest of the pieces unboxed. When unboxing the 2 side arm panels, we recommend keeping them off rough surfaces to prevent any damage to the outside shell. Let's start with the right arm panel. To indicate which panel is left or right, simply locate the letter corresponding to each side. On the inside of the panel, we can see several important pieces of assembly. There is the back hook, the electrical ports and air nozzle, the arm panel clip, which will rest on the chair's body rail, and the 2 screw holes to firmly connect the arm to the body of the chair. Bring the right arm panel to the side of the frame and connect the 2 cords to the corresponding 8-pin port. Then connect the air hose to its corresponding nozzle. Carefully lift the arm and guide the back hook into its resting place towards the back of the frame. Then place the arm panel clip onto the body rail and gently slide it into place. Next, ensure the arm panel clip remains on the body rail as you locate the top arm panel screw hole. Once you have positioned the screw hole, grab 1 long bolt, 1 big washer, and 1 panel connector from the accessory box. Insert the bolt and finger tighten, as this will help keep the chair into place while you ensure the bottom screw hole lines up with the inside of the arm panel by the footwell. Now tighten down the top panel bolt with the provided hex key. Next, insert the small bolt and the medium-sized washer to the top hole in the inside of the arm panel. Repeat these steps to the other side of the chair. Now let's attach the 2 shoulder panels to the chair. Locate the shoulder panel mounting brackets on the outward facing side of the panel and slide the mounting brackets into the chair's body mounting channels. Before you fully slide into place, connect the electrical cord and the air hose to their corresponding ports. Make sure to guide the air hose inside the chair's body as you firmly secure the shoulder panel. Unzip the zipper found underneath the shoulder airbag to gain easy access to the 4 screw holes needed to secure the shoulder panel to the chair. With the Phillips head screwdriver, screw in 4 medium-sized screws to secure the panel. Once fully attached, zip back up the shoulder panel airbag. Then, with 1 medium screw, fully secure the shoulder panel into the top screw hole and 2 small screws into the bottom screw holes. This will fully secure the shoulder panel to the body of the chair. In the last box is the footrest. The footrest can be very heavy, so remember to lift with your legs, not your back. Bring the footrest close to the foot of the chair and connect the electrical plug and air hose to their corresponding connection ports. Plug the 8-pin electrical plug into the 8-pin port. Before sliding the footrest into place, there are clips on the footrest pins that you will need to remove. If you have any issues, use the included screwdriver and gently lift the piece of the clip that is keeping it in place, then gently slide it off the axle. Lift the footrest and slide the footrest hinge over the pin of the body of the chair. Slide the first one down the axle pin all the way. This will give you enough space to maneuver the footrest up onto the other axle pin. Then replace the clips to secure it into place. If you misplace or lose any of the clips, there are some spares in the accessory box. Then zipper the enclosure between the footrest and the chair body. Locate the tablet holder in the accessory box, and using the screwdriver, remove the 2 screws from the tablet holder mount. Make sure the mount stays attached to the chair once you have removed the screws. Place the tablet holder into the tablet holder mount, then reinsert the 2 screws. Once screwed into place, attach the cover holder mount and then place the tablet remote within the holder. The chair is now fully assembled and ready to use. Toggle the main power switch back on and turn the chair on using the remote. Then run an auto program to ensure everything is working properly. If everything is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Imperial Syner-D massage chair. And thank you for being part of the Infinity family.